and welcome to Pentillie Castle. My name's Sammie Coryton and I am the current owner and custodian of this fantastic and wonderful, wonderful place. I see you've already met Sir James Tilley. He built the house in 1698 and was a chap of wonderful and amazing character. He left instructions in his will that he wasn't to be buried, but that he was to be tied to his favourite chair in his folly, to have food and drink brought for him so that he was ready to go when he believed he'd be resurrected a couple of years later. As you know, resurrection isn't for everyone and it doesn't always work out, but he did leave a lasting legacy of how to party, how to have a good time. His home that he built here on the Cornish bank of the River Tamar is absolutely spectacular. Great scenery, great setting and a really fabulous vibe. So, however you choose to use Pentillie Castle, it will be exclusively yours for your party, your wedding, your celebration. So here we are inside the castle in the reception hallway. You'll notice as we go through the castle, there's plenty of bits of family memorabilia and history, including this portrait of my great-great-grandfather, William Coryton, and my favourite, the guest book, that's been going since 1891. We really urge you to make your mark in this wonderful book too. We love reading the comments. As we go through to the reception rooms, we start with the drawing room, a wonderful room to curl up with a book in front of the fire or to catch up with relatives and people we haven't seen for a long time. Full of laughter and generally a large glass of red wine or whiskey, this room is really cosy and definitely the hub of the house. And now we head into the morning room, which is often set up with a bar for weddings or has another open fire for catching up with friends. This room also leads out onto the terraces and the loggia, which is licensed for civil weddings. The wisteria that frames this terrace is absolutely glorious, and this year is putting on a really spectacular display. From the morning room, we head into the stair hallway. We're pretty imaginative with names here. There's the piano and a great place to pop a cake or something you wish to display if you're here for a corporate event. From here, we head out onto the east terrace with wonderful views over the Tamar and the magnificent herbaceous borders. The wisteria pavilion is also licensed for civil weddings, and the lawns can be used for garden games, falconry displays, or we can even put up a marquee on this terrace for hosting events for slightly larger numbers. From the terrace, there are a number of woodland walks that lead you down through the gardens and the wisteria walk to the bank of the River Tamar. If you're feeling brave, you can hop in for a swim, but otherwise the Victorian bathing hut has its stunning setting on its own little quay. This is licensed for civil weddings and can also be used for other smaller gatherings. Back at the castle, the dining room leads off the stair hallway. Currently set up with our mahogany dining table for the 22 house guests, it can also be set up in a variety of ways to suit your numbers and how you wish to celebrate your day. The guest kitchen has really spectacular views, so if you are lumped with doing the washing up, you're not going to be disappointed. The 4-door Aga keeps it super cosy through the winter, and we also peek through into the commercial kitchen where chefs can also cater for you. As we go along the corridor, we find the Warren bedroom, our bedroom on the ground floor, suitable for guests with limited mobility. Dogs are welcome to stay in this room. From here, we can also head downstairs to the games room, a favourite for groups of all ages with a variety of activities, from the pool table, ping pong, darts, you name it. This is a great place to kick back and relax. And while I'm talking about activities for the whole family, I really must mention the swimming pool. Heated by solar panels and in its own walled garden, it's a complete sun trap and a brilliant place to while away a few hours with family and friends. Now let's go upstairs. This bedroom is the Howard bedroom. Named for my granny, it is a double aspect room with great views over the pool and up the river. This room is also dog friendly, so your pooch can stay with you in here. It has a bath and a separate walk-in shower. Like many of the bedrooms, the Super King bed can also be twinned. The Kitson bedroom next to Howard is also dog friendly. This room has a large shower and wonderful views down the River Tamar and across the gardens. As we venture along the corridor towards the rest of the house, the Tilley bedroom again has fantastic views over the river and a bathroom to die for. The views out of that bath are incredible out over the river. Up a couple of steps we find the Victor bedroom, which looks out over the front of the castle. You can see your guests arriving from here. This room can accommodate a cot as well as a blow-up bed for children. From the main corridor, we can head up to the 2 rooms up in the castellated turrets. One is a twin room and the other a double. They share a shower room. Back on the first floor, we head into the Coryton bedroom with family portraits of Uncle George and Uncle Jack. Great views over the gardens and down to the River Tamar and Dartmoor National Park in the distance. This is another wonderful big bathroom with clawfoot bath and a huge shower. This is the Parker bedroom. As you will have noticed by now, all the rooms really are individually designed, but like the others, the bed can either be twinned or super king to suit your needs. The picture above the bed is one of my favourites by Simeon Stafford, an apprentice of the artist Lowry. Leading to the Spencer bedroom, we have this fantastic landing, another great seating area to while away the morning with a coffee or to read a book. The Spencer bedroom also has double aspect views out over the gardens and is big enough to accommodate a cot and a blow-up bed should you require. The Spencer room was named for my grandparents on my dad's side, and there's a brilliant picture of them on their wedding day in this room. It's very evocative. Now we head down a couple of stairs into the Dewhurst room. This room is often used as the bridal suite and has a magnificent 4-poster bed. It has a spacious dressing room with plenty of space to get ready, and upstairs into the bathroom with an enormous walk-in shower and separate bath. The pictures in this room were all painted by my great-grandfather on Mum's side, Winford Dewhurst, often known as Manchester's Monet, as he painted with Monet in France in the late 1800s. We now head back down the main staircase to the stair hallway. This staircase provides the most perfect photo opportunity for our Pentillie brides. While you are here at Pentillie, I urge you to explore the 55 acres of woodland gardens. From the stone circle up in the parkland, all the way down through the American Gardens, the Lime Avenue, the Wisteria Walk down to the banks of the River Tamar. The summer house has been a really fun addition to the gardens. With the fire pit and outdoor furniture, it's a great spot for toasting marshmallows and whiling away an evening with a glass of wine. It's been my absolute pleasure to show you around Pentillie and the gardens. We can't wait to hear how you'd like to use Pentillie for your wedding, your party, your celebration, your family holiday. We really look forward to hearing from you.